right, here we go. All right, so what we got here, Muscle Car Mayhem set. We have two cars here, 1969 Mustang versus a 1969 Camaro. It's a complete set. This says exclusive to the market in the United States of America and the Australian market. So Scalextric makes special sets for certain geographic markets that they're in. This set is actually made both for American market and for the Australian market down under. Alright, what do you think about this, Bob? You like this set?
Yes.
Yeah, I like it too. It looks like fun.
Let's get started.
Let's get racing, huh?
Let's get started opening the box.
Alright. You have to cut all four corners. Once we open up the box and get the cars out, what do they look like? Muscle Car Mayhem. American muscle cars, 1969. Ford versus Chevy. Camaro versus Mustang. You can't get any more quintessential classic American muscle than this.
And they're both in the front actually has a point.
Car Mayhem. 1969 Camaro versus Mustang. It's a battle of the big boys. Chevrolet versus Ford. Two of the most famous cars ever made. Racing side by side in a single set. It's Muscle Car Mayhem. Only from Scalextric Racing in 132 scale.
We can try this on the track.
Let's do it.
Try it?
Let's go.
Okay.
Car Mayhem. 1969 Camaro versus Mustang. It's a battle of the big boys. Chevrolet versus Ford.